We're at Goodwill.
No, we're at the store shopping.
Look at this cute dress. This is the most adorable dress.
I'm gonna go try this one.
Wait, what is this?
Hey Pat, what you do is get a few things, and then
I got this. Look, it's like,
I got this one. I'm trying it on.
okay, so let me see the camera. Okay, so what we're doing is we're just looking at all these sectional dresses. Is that
Dresses.
cute? That's so cute.
I don't really like it. Not my style.
Huh?
Whoa. Now this is my style.
Okay, so what we're doing is we're just looking around at dresses.
Dresses and clothes and different
everything.
stuff. Here, you record real quick. I'm getting stuff.
I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Turning on. Okay, so let's find a dress for me. I love this, but I don't think this is a dress, huh? Ooh, I don't like that. I don't like that.
I'm
Okay.
getting all the long, innocent ones.
I can't understand. Is this a dress or a shirt? Like, seriously, it's so cute.
I think for someone that's tall enough, it would be a shirt, but
I know, like me. How y'all think this looks? Tell me your look. Here, when you want to hold it up to yourself, someone else holds the camera.
okay, so
That's how it works.
like a really cute dress, you know.
it would actually kind of be a long T-shirt for me. So
I was ready to go try stuff on. That is gorgeous, Silva.
I know, it's so cute. Okay, I just made a trade for this dress.
Here, look.
Short dress.
So, point the camera at me. This one
A long,
and this one.
long purple dress.
Ooh, let's go try.
Now we're going to go try on.
We're good. Good. Here, me and Lucy are going to go first. We're going to go first.
Okay. Okay, Peyton's trying on her first dress. Let's see how it turns out.
Nice outfit.
I know. Okay, now we're just looking at some random things while Peyton gets changed. Now it's time for Random Time with Brooklyn and Dorothy.
Pajama pants.
Pajama pants.
Cute pajama pants.
We got all this stuff. I mean,
So many pajama pants. I want them all.
look at this cute Hello Kitty. Kitties. Okay, so we're waiting for Peyton to have her first dress. We're going to let her try that on.
You gotta do the fashion show.
Yeah, we're trying to do a fashion show. Okay, so
I'm looking at shirts.
okay, it's so cute, Peyton. That's really cute. Just I wouldn't wear that, you know, with that. I wouldn't wear the bra with that.
Oh, and FYI, I'm wearing these with my dress. Mommy.
Okay, Peyton, do you want to try on your next dress, or do you have another dress?
I got 2 more.
Okay.
I want to try on these ones. They look really cute. I like them.
I don't think is somebody in there.
I think this one is my favorite. This one is cute too. Why did I get the innocent one?
Now we're just waiting. I don't know.
I got the innocent dresses. Well, you guys got. The trick is you're supposed to get a couple dresses.
We can only find one.
Do it.
Sorry, girl. My beautiful dress. Here below.
Bunny ears.
Why do I have a blue sign? Okay.
Here.
I don't. Who cares? It's just public.
I know the person. He goes to my school.
Here, hold up the thing to you.
I mean, I don't even know which one's the front. Oh, there. Okay, so this is a really cute dress in my opinion.
Yeah. Woo. Once we get our stuff, we're doing a haul episode, like what we got.
Yeah.
From Goodwill. So
Okay,
fancy. I'm so fancy. You already know.
And it's really pretty. I like the little design
I like
here.
the thing in the bottom.
Yeah,
the
it's a
skirt
really
part.
it's a really
And I love how it like
design.
intersects in
Yeah,
this
that
stretchy thing.
Yeah, it like so is your little tuck here in the middle. You know, it stretches.
Make a weird face.
It's Molly. Oh my gosh,
I love it.
it is.
I'm trying on stuff after her.
It's gorgeous.
You may try it on topless.
Yeah. Well, you know. Now we're just checking out the dress to make sure it fits.
You may try it on the button.
Okay, so Peyton, what are you doing now?
Hello Kitty nightgown.
Peyton, what are you doing now?
She's trying on her third and last dress.
Oh, yeah, Cassie.
Oh, without the tank top. Divalicious. Divalicious.
It's so cute, and see, like, I like this little design, how it feels, and, like, it almost strapless, so, you know, it'd be cute strapless.
You don't need to commentate everything, you know.
You don't need to be such a sassy.
I'm just that kind of girl. Here, hold this. Record for me.
Such cute leggings, I want them. Okay, I think it's time for a random hall walk.
Hall walking, hall walking, hall walking, hall walking. Panama City.
Okay, now we're going to turn the camera and just, like, look around at random things. There's my mom. There's a mirror. There's some pants and all that. There's a couch. I want to see how comfy it is.
Looking at stuff. What is this?
It's a couch.
No, what is this?
It's the chair.
That's a chair.
Look at this huge chair.
That can't be a chair. That's like a basket.
Anyone for a big butt needs that. And here's a air hockey table, I think. I don't know.
Oh my God,
hockey table.
that's an air hockey
Here's a pretty
table.
cool.
I do not know what an air hockey table is.
I know, we have air hockey.
That's a table.
Okay, that's a table, just regular old table.
Definitely.
There's a jersey.
Wait, she might be eating that, so we have to go back.
Here we go. Okay, so Peyton, are you almost done? Okay, she's almost done. Okay, so now that was random hall watching pretty much, and looking at randoms.
I can't wait to try on my stuff.
I'm like, okay, this looks really cute. I want to try this one so bad. Yeah? Mommy?
Really?
Mommy. Peyton needs some assistance, I think.
Okay.
Okay. So, pretty much now we just need to do something. Okay.
I think we might need to end this video, and I think we might need to end this video, and like we'll do separate videos
separate
of us
videos.
trying on our clothes, and we'll just do like haul part 1, part 2, part 3, blah, 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 blah. So peace for now.
We have another video.